Okay, I'm sharing this because I think it's really important to be honest and forthright about any changes I make to my body because I do post fitness stuff and I would never want anyone to look at me and be like, I wish I was born with this or I wish I was this way when some things I wasn't born with, like boobs. So let's get into it. 18 years ago, when I was 21 years old, I got breast implants. I got saline implants. I have loved them. I wanted to go very, very natural to start with because I was so young and I just wanted to feel more feminine. So honestly, it was gender affirming surgery. I'm a cis female woman. That was my gender affirming surgery. It made me feel more feminine, more beautiful, and I love them. That being said, you're supposed to replace them. Now, with saline, they can last a lot longer. Silicone is usually like 10 years or something. Mine have lasted. However, when I started lifting, which I had not been lifting when I first got them, this one kind of popped out from underneath the muscle when I was doing a really heavy chest press. And it's kind of moved around ever since. And that's been 10 years ago. And then also when I lost a bunch of weight and started lifting around that time period, like 2014 ish, I started realizing how much loose skin I had. And I have an umbilical hernia, which has gotten worse over the years. It's not necessarily dangerous, but it is fucking annoying because it is like a hernia above my belly button. I can tuck in TMI. And it creates a fold. It's loose skin, but the hernia creates a fold. And then I have potentially mild diastasis recti. What that means, if you're not familiar with it, is it's usually from giving birth or heavy lifting, I think. Definitely from giving birth, where your abs are supposed to do this, but they do this because they got pulled apart and they didn't come all the way back together. I have finally made the decision to get all the things taken care of. That is a choice that I'm making for me. It will make me feel more like myself. I worked really fucking hard to have a tight core and I never get bottom abs. I have top abs, but I don't have bottom abs because I have a lot of skin. And I was thinking there was still like a good bit of fat there. But when I went in to see my surgeon, she said it's mostly skin that just needs to go toodaloo so I can see my abs. Since my initial implants were so long ago, I have no fucking idea what size they were. And we need to know that because I don't really want to go up in size so much. I want to fit into all my bras and swimwear. Y'all know how much I have in swimwear. It's a lot. It's so much money in swimwear, and I don't want to rebuy it. What Dr. Moak suggested that we do, and we actually did this Monday, was an explant surgery in office local anesthesia. So I was not under general anesthesia, and we removed the original silicone implant. She was able to, if you're interested in this, I'm going to tell you, if you get squeamish at all, then click forward. She was able to drain the saline out of the implant and determine how big they were in order to know what size we need to use to maintain the same size for all my swimsuits and then remove them. So I did that Monday. I'm in this compression bra today. And then tomorrow is the major surgery. I'm a little bit stressed. I'm really excited because I've wanted to do this for Jesus, 12 years, but it's major surgery. I'm a little stressed. Okay, so explant surgery happened Monday. Kind of easy peasy. I've been a little sore. I was awake the whole time. As I said, local anesthesia. I took a Valium and I was fine. And I have not even had to take pain pills, just a couple of muscle relaxers. So that wasn't an issue. Tomorrow, I have to be at the hospital at 5:30. And operation starts at 7:30. So send me all your positive vibes, please. I 100% completely trust Dr. Moak. So I'm going to be super, super happy with this. I just want to feel more like me, like the me I can't achieve in the gym, which is all the extra skin. And there's a lot of puckering, and then the hernia, and then the diastasis recti, and then new boobies. To clarify, going up in size from, I think it's from like a 380 is what it was to 455, but mostly in the top part. So instead of more teardrop shaped, it's going to be more round at the top. That's a high profile. If this is something that you or a loved one's considering doing, it's completely freaking customizable to like whatever you want, whatever is going to make you feel more like you, like yourself. Dr. Moak really did a great job of making me feel secure in my decision. She let me run all over the place and be like, "Well, what about this? Well, what about this? Well, what about this? This is what I want. I want it to be round on the top and I want to fit into my old bras." And I feel really confident in the choice that we made. Now, recovery is going to be a thing. My hospital bag's already prepped and packed and all the things. It's just like jitters and it'll be okay.